Hi folks, I'm Ara. Welcome to Little Garden Foods presentation. Today we're going to make a quick chicken and eggplant stew with using our hot garlic oregano dressing. We start with marinating the eggplant and the chicken. Add some hot garlic oregano. Let it marinate for an hour and then we can cook. Now, the chicken and the eggplant has been marinating for a while. It's almost ready. We're going to start cooking the onions. First, we add some hot garlic oregano into the pan. Keep it on medium heat. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. And we'll cook it until the onions get soft. The onions are ready. Now we're going to add our eggplant and chicken mixture into the pan. Because they are diced small, it will take only 5 minutes or so to cook. Now our stew is almost ready. Make sure that the eggplant is cooked properly. We're going to add the diced tomatoes and it will cook very fast, a minute or two. Now our dish is ready. All we have to do is serve it, and I'll give you a few suggestions for that. One way of serving it is like a bowl of stew. A little bit of parsley for garnish, and a piece of baguette on the side. Now this also makes a nice tortilla filling. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tasty recipes. Send us your comments and please subscribe.